The CJC Filter Insert Change Kit assists technicians up tower. It ensures that the oil in your CJC oil filter is quickly and properly drained, pumped into a sealed container and then back into the system, so providing a quick refill. The FICK unit efficiently drains the oil in the oil filter, reducing the time spent changing the filter insert. Reduces both oil wastage, which is environmentally friendly, and oil spillage, meaning a safer workplace. Reuses oil, meaning huge financial and CO2 savings. With the FICK, you can achieve fast and safe filter insert changes, which is important for technicians, owners, and asset managers. Make the annual service for your wind turbines as efficient and CO2 friendly as possible. Please contact us for further information at www.cjc.dk/contact.